In the earlier presentation, we saw how to export from the SQL developer. There is another option from the Linux box itself. If that can connect to the autonomous database, you can use the export data pump functionality to export the table. So once you have connected to the SQL, select star from student. If you remember, this is one of the table which we used in the SQL loader, a small table, just 3 records. We tried to load into this table through the SQL loader. So now from the command prompt of the Linux box, you can do an export using Datapump. It's called the Datapump export using this command. So you can do that. It will still get into the Datapump directory, and dump file name is this one, table is student. So let's see that how it goes. So export, you need to provide the password, connect string, directory is data dump directory, dump file name is student1.dump, tables is just a student, just one table we are going to export. So it will connect into the database and perform the export. Password, so it says connected to the database, admin, student, dump directory, processing, object, export table. So this is so it has created that. So if you look at it, this is the folder on which the dump has been created. So what we could do is, as always, get into the SQL Plus and just check the data dump directory whether you have a table by name stu1 dump. So here we are. When I executed the command inside the SQL prompt, you have the stu1 dump is created with the timestamp as well, that is on 13th Jan. So this is another way of exporting using Datapump from the Linux directory. The advantage, as I said, of using the Linux directory is that you can have scheduled jobs. You can use cron tab, the cron job, which is generally called as cron jobs. So you can schedule it at whatever point of time you want to export, or you can use the scheduling tool like Apache Airflow, or there is something called Autosys as well to perform this job scheduling. So apart from the SQL loader, you can use the Datapump from the Linux environment. Once you have the basic client tools are installed, like the SQL loader and the Datapump are installed, you can use the Linux box also for the export purpose. Thank you.